Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2017 Harley-Davidson Sportster Iron. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2017 Harley-Davidson Sportster Iron with 22,769 miles passes New York State inspection and runs well. It's been upgraded with a fuel cap, LED turn signals, and docking hardware. Powered by an 883cc V-twin engine, the Sportster puts 54 foot-pounds of torque through a 5-speed transmission. With a 3.3-gallon fuel capacity, the Sportster has a 130 to 160 mile range. It has a 28.9-inch seat height and a 565-pound wet weight. Please note this bike has an excessive amount of cosmetic rust and corrosion on various hardware and body points, but it is still mechanically sound and operates well. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 430 seconds and the rear at 530 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we only point out larger areas of damage. We highly recommend looking closely at all the pictures in the listing or seeing the bike in person. There's rust on the kickstand, paint bubbling on the front fender, scratches on the clutch lever, finish is worn on the mirror, a tear in the passenger seat, corrosion on both rear fender struts and paint chipped on both sides of the rear fender, and scratching and paint bubbling on the rear fender. This bike has 3 keys, a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike has been through our Select program. It received an inspection, repairs, detail, and comes with a 30-day, 1,000-mile powertrain warranty. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. Additional warranty coverage is also available. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.